Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Got a bit of a different color for you today. Euclid S7 motor scraper. This one is fixed up pretty nice. I usually don't do videos of these, but this one definitely warrants it. Brand new rubber on. Still has the nubs on it. Like I said, fixed up pretty nice. Quick shot of the dash area. Come back here and look at the rest of it. Big Euclid badge up there on the neck. Hydraulic cylinders to steer, to articulate it. Bunch of hydraulic lines coming back. Nice decal there. Big upright cylinders there for the, looks like the apron. I'm not a scraper guy, so I may have got that terminology wrong, but hasn't been used much. A lot of paint still in the bowl. Go around back, have a look. Again, brand new rubber on the rear. Still has the nubs. Push block on the back. Pardon my shadow. Looks like we have some air brakes back here. We even have some tail lights. Looks like it was all redone too. Those shoes don't even look like they've got wear on the friction material yet. All new lines everywhere you look on this thing. It's all been redone. Very nice job. Again, the articulating cylinders. Looks like we have a transmission right here. Looks like an air tank just inboard of that. We have some more air brake linkage right there. Looks like we have a drive shaft feeds the transmission from the engine. A little air compressor up there. Big chrome stack on it. Looks like this one is Detroit powered. Got the blower on the side. Good and loud, I bet. Got some chrome accents on the air cleaner. Yeah, here we are. GM, Jimmy Diesel. She's a screamer. Chrome horn up top, headlights. Despite being Euclid green, it's a pretty nice looking machine. Thanks for watching, everybody.